Question and answer solution of previous year for the subject Civil Engineering, SEM 5, paper code CEPC 504. Subject name Soil Mechanics 2. 1. For a base failure of a slope, depth factor. Answer DF greater than 1. 2. Minimum water content at which soil just begins to crumble at 3 mm thread. Answer plastic limit. 3. Rise of water table above ground surface causes. Answer equal increase in pore water pressure and total stress. 4. Time factor for a clay layer is. Answer directly proportional to permeability of soil, V. Inactive state in non-cohesive soil with horizontal ground. Answer major principal stress is vertical, VI. Ultimate consolidation settlement of a structure resting on soil. Answer decreases with the increase in the initial voids ratio. 7. For a clay slope of height of 10 meters, the stability number is 0.05. Gamma equals 2.0 tons per cubic meter. C equals 2.5 tons per square meter. The critical height of the slope of the soil is. Answer 25.0 meters. 8. Same as 4. Time factor for a clay layer. Answer directly proportional to permeability of soil. 9. Compression of soil occurs rapidly if voids are filled with. Answer air. Air escapes much faster than water. 10. Active earth pressure at depth 10 meters. Phi equals 30 degrees. Gamma equals 1.8 tons per cubic meter. Answer 6 tons per square meter. 11. Settlement of 1 meter square footing on sand from 600 mm plate test. Answer between 15 mm and 25 mm. 12. Coefficient of compressibility of soil is ratio of. Answer strain to stress. Technically, change in void ratio / change in effective stress.